What's good? What's good, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. It is Airsoft Saturday time, and I am about to head out to Airsoft Revolution 15. About to get it in. It's a little late, y'all know what it is, but hey, stay tuned. It's about to go down a bit of Airsoft for you this weekend. Oh yeah, I'm leaving a little late. It's about 2 o'clock right now. I'll get there about 2:15, 2:20 or whatever, depending on traffic. But yeah, I had to watch my Boomer Sooners get that win over Texas Tech. Actually, the game is still going on, but it's like we're blowing them out anyway. So either way, 40-something to 13 or something like that. But we're blowing them out. But anyway, we're talking about Airsoft Saturday. So be sure to stay tuned. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Hey, give me any pointers, any comments in which you may feel like you want to add to. Hey, let's get it. Oh, also, first and foremost, I do not own the rights to this music in which you may hear in the background, but either way, or any music that you may be hearing in the near future, all music in which I play, I don't own the rights to none of it. But yeah, headed to Airsoft Revolution 15, about to get my Airsoft Saturday in. Let's go. Stay tuned, everybody. Let's get it. I'm out. It's your boy Sean, a.k.a. Bishop, in the building. Cyro 5, Military Fraternity Incorporated. I got to shout out my frat. That's all. Alright, I'll holler back. Stay tuned. Hit! Oh my god. During our spawn like that?
Racks in the center console. When a nigga hit the gas, you can bet I'm going fast for it. Bad bitch waiting at the crib with some real good head. I ain't even gotta ask for it. Tryna run up in my lane for some cloud and the fame, guaranteed it, that's a crash course. Rich and Millie playing on a plane, drip way too insane. Bitch came with a passport. Best of right now, little nigga, just look at the persona. Bitches calling me the sweat lord. 25 bricks on the block, but they never miss a shot and they never hit the bad boy. Really wanna gamble with your life, little nigga, roll the dice. I ain't talking shooting crash for it. Last time I checked, I ain't never had kids. Why the fuck your baby mama call me dad for it? Racks in the center console. When a nigga hit the gas, you can bet I'm going fast for it. Bad bitch waiting at the crib with some real good head. I ain't even gotta ask for it. Tryna run up in my lane for some cloud and the fame, guaranteed it, that's a crash course. Rich and Millie playing on a plane, drip way too insane. Bitch came with a passport. Best of right now, little nigga, just look at my persona. Bitches calling me the sweat lord. 25 bricks on the block, but they never miss a shot and they never hit the bat board. Really wanna gamble with your life, little nigga, roll the dice. I ain't talking shooting crash for it. Last time I checked, I ain't even have. Okay. Going 30 over in a new Corvette. I ain't know the speed wasn't on the dashboard. Falling in the pussy like I'm Indiana Jones, and I just accidentally hit a trap door. I get hoes by the boat. Fuck 'em like a hoe. Yeah, nigga always wanna smash more. Somebody hit Puff, tell him that I wanna work. Yeah, I always been a bad boy. Racks in the center console. When a nigga hit the gas, you can bet I'm going fast for it. Bad bitch waiting at the crib with some real good head. I ain't even gotta ask for it. Tryna run up in my lane, it's a cloud and the fame, guaranteed it, that's a crash course. Rich and Millie playing on a plane, drip way too insane. Bitch came with a passport. Racks in the center console. When a nigga hit the gas, you can bet I'm going fast for it. Bad bitch waiting at the crib with some real good head. I ain't even gotta ask for it. Tryna run up in my lane for some cloud and the fame, guaranteed it, that's a crash course. Rich and Millie playing on a plane, drip way too insane. Bitch came with a passport. Best of right now, little nigga, just look at the persona. Bitches calling me the sweat lord. 25 bricks on the block, but they never miss a shot and they never hit the bad boy. Really wanna gamble with your life, little nigga, roll the dice. I ain't talking shooting crash for it. Last time I checked, I ain't never had kids. Why the fuck your baby mama call me dad for it? Racks in the center console. When a nigga hit the gas, you can bet I'm going fast for it. Bad bitch waiting at the crib with some real good head. I ain't even gotta ask for it. Tryna run up in my lane for some cloud and the fame, guaranteed it, that's a crash course. Rich and Millie playing on a plane, drip way too insane. Bitch came with a passport. Best of right now, little nigga, just look at my persona. Bitches calling me the sweat lord. 25 bricks on the block, but they never miss a shot and they never hit the bat board. Really wanna gamble gamble with your life, little nigga. Roll the dice, I ain't talking shooting crash for it. Last time I checked, I ain't even okay. Going 30 over in a new Corvette. I ain't know the speed wasn't on the dashboard. Falling in a pussy like a Indiana Jones on a jet. Accidentally hit a trap door. I get hoes by the boat. Fuck 'em like I'm Hope. Yeah, nigga always wanna smash more. Somebody hit Puff, tell him that I wanna work. Yeah, I always been a bad boy. Racks in the center console. When a nigga hit the gas, you can bet I'm going fast forward. Bad bitch waiting at the crib with some real good head. I ain't even gotta ask for it. Tryna run up in my lane. It's a cloud on the fame. Guaranteed it, that's a crash course. Wish a nigga plane on a plane trip way too insane. Bitch can't.
3 minutes.
Racks in the center console. When a nigga hit the gas, you can bet I'm going fast forward. Bad bitch waiting at the crib with some real good head. I ain't even gotta ask for it. Tryna run up in my lane. It's a cloud and the fame. Guaranteed it, that's a crash course. Rich and Millie plane on a plane trip way too insane. Bitch came with a passport. Pistol right now, little nigga just look at the persona. Bitches calling me the sweat lord. 25 bricks on the block, but they never miss a shot and they never hit the bad boy. Really wanna gamble with your life, little nigga. Roll the dice, I ain't talking shooting crash for it. Last time I checked, I ain't never had kids. Why the fuck your baby mama call me dad for it? Racks in the center console. When a nigga hit the gas, you can bet I'm going fast for it. Bad bitch waiting at the crib with some real good head. I ain't even gotta ask for it. Tryna run up in my lane. It's a cloud and the fame. Guaranteed that's a crash course. Wish a million plane on a plane trip way too insane. Bitch came with a passport. Pistol right now, little nigga just look at my persona. Bitches calling me the sweat lord. 25 bricks on the block, but they never miss a shot and they never hit the bad boy. Really wanna gamble with your life, little nigga. Roll the dice, I ain't talking shooting crash for it. Last time I checked, I ain't even have. Okay. Going 30 over in a new Corvette. I ain't know the speed wasn't on the dashboard. Falling in a pussy like a Indiana Jones on a jet. Accidentally hit a trap door. I get hoes by the boat. Fuck 'em like I'm Hope.
Good hit, good hit.
Wanna smash
Good hit.
Somebody hit Puff, tell him that I wanna work. Yeah,
Hit.
I always been a bad boy. Racks in the center console. When a nigga hit the gas, you can bet I'm going fast for it. Bad bitch waiting at the crib with some real good head. I ain't even gotta ask for it. Tryna run up in my lane. It's a cloud and the fame. Guaranteed it, that's a crash course. Wish a million plane.
Hit. Good hit, bro.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Got you. Good job.
Game over, everybody. Magazine's out.
Racks to the center console. When a nigga hit the gas, you can bet I'm going fast for it. Bad bitch waiting at the crib with some real good head. I ain't even gotta ask for it.
Alright, what's good, Airsoft community? You know what it is. It's Airsoft Saturday. This is the end of the first game of play at Airsoft Revolution. 15 match shots out to Dom and to Psycho for a great establishment. Again, this is the first game in which I played once I got there. Had fun, as you've seen. I got that final kill right before the match ended in that second round. Had fun, but hopefully y'all be sure to like it, subscribe. If you enjoy what I'm showing, please leave some comments in below. Even if you dislike what I'm showing, please leave comments. Let me know what I can do better. But I appreciate y'all. Be sure to continue to stay tuned to Airsoft Saturday, coming at you every Saturday. Have fun. I'll holler back at you. This is your boy, Sean, a.k.a. Bishop Z, in the building. I'll holler back. Stay tuned.
So I'm sure he just saw my gun hanging out.
Always,
You got me with my gun hanging out. That was you, right?
always call your shots and be sure to listen for the P. I'm out. Stay tuned.
Yeah, you was good. You was good. That was good.
It's a cloud and the fame. Guaranteed it, that's a crash course. Wish a million plane on a plane trip way too insane. Bitch came with a passport.
Let's go.
Little nigga just look at the persona. Bitches calling me the sweat lord. 25 bricks on the block, but they never miss a
Let's
shot.
go.
They never hit the
What's up, man?
backboard. Really wanna gamble with your life, little nigga. Roll the dice. I ain't talking shooting crash for it. Last time I checked, I ain't never had kids. Why the fuck your baby mama call me dad for? Racks in the center console when a nigga hit.